Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to type on a laptop. So let's get started. So basically there is like 3 ways to do it. And the first way is by holding shift and then pressing on number 2, just like this. And for the second way, we're gonna hold shift and press on this dot right here. And for the third way, what we wanted to do is go to settings and then press on time and language. And then we have to press on language. And after that, we have to press on add the language. And you have to search for the US keyboard. So if you have it already, it's not gonna show up. If you don't have it, it's gonna show up like this, and then you have to press next and then install. But because I have it already, so I'm just gonna press here and then press on the US keyboard. Then we're just gonna hold shift and number 2. So yeah, that was for today. I hope this helps you guys, and take care.